Apparently Stamkos has played more. Pokes it that one against Lafreniere. Now here's an odd man rush. Chance for the Rangers, cutting in. Passed off. Panarin scores. The feed from Trocheck. The tap in for Panarin. 1-0 Rangers.
That 2-on-1 is nearly impossible to defend for one defenseman. Radish did a good job. He comes across and he keeps the stick down, so it bothered Trocheck cutting across the middle. But look where the goal is scored from. Trocheck does a heck of a job of maintaining that. Just of enough curl and drag right here that he keeps it away. Oh, he did miss just by a tad. But look at how far away Panarin is from the scoring area. He worked on that this morning. He was taking shots from there this morning, about 15 or 20, no goaltender in the net. He never missed the net once. Trocheck with an outstanding move. Vasilevsky no time to move across, and the Rangers are up 1-0.
Artemi Panarin, goal number 36 of the season, points